Hello, friends. Welcome to a game-changing platform where your investments work for you every single day. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce Unique Trade Grow, a revolutionary project launched in August 2025 from Singapore, now expanding rapidly across countries like Malaysia, Thailand, the Philippines, Vietnam, India, Nigeria, and Benin. If you're looking for a genuine, 100% transparent, blockchain-based, decentralized platform with a secure staking system, then friends, this is the one you've been waiting for. Thousands of people worldwide are already achieving financial freedom faster with Unique Trade Grow. You can begin your journey with as little as 10 USDT and increase your investment in multiples of 10. And the best part? 4 powerful income streams are waiting for you. 1. Daily ROI income. 2. Direct referral income. 3. Level passive income. 4. Reward income. Daily ROI income. As soon as you stake, you start earning daily profits ranging from 0.3% to 1%, depending on your plan and tenure. Direct referral income. Please share this opportunity with friends and earn 5% commission instantly on their staking amount. Here's where it gets even more exciting. You can earn residual income up to 20 levels deep from your team's daily earnings. Level 1, 15%. Level 2, 10%. Level 3, 5%. Level 4, 4%. Level 5, 3%. Level 6, 2%. Level 7 to 10, 1% each. Levels 11 to 20, 0.5% each. When it comes to level passive income, you have the opportunity to earn from a total of 20 levels. To unlock these levels, you need to bring in 10 direct referrals. Each direct referral unlocks 2 levels of income for you, meaning the more people you refer, the deeper your earning potential goes. Award and reward program. Hit new ranks, unlock bigger bonuses. Browns $2K target $40. Reward star $5,000, $100. Silver $10,000, $200. Gold $20,000, $400. Platinum $50,000, $1,000. Emerald $100,000, $2,000. Diamond $200,000, $4,000. Double diamond $500,000, $10,000. Crown $1 million, $20,000. King $2 million, $40,000. Your hustle, your growth, your rewards. Unlocked. All business targets follow a 50-25-25 ratio, meaning 50% of the business volume should come from one leg, 25% from the second leg, and 25% from the remaining legs. Friends, this is just the beginning. Unique Trade Grow is soon launching its very own UTG coin. Not just any token, but one with real utility across the platform. You'll also get staking opportunities, meaning you can earn passive income simply by holding your coins, daily or monthly. But we're going even further. We're launching a cutting-edge NFT platform where members can experience true digital ownership, trading, and long-term value creation. Imagine one platform offering trading, staking, utility benefits, and NFT marketplace access, all in a fully decentralized system you can use via MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Now let's go over the terms and conditions. Minimum deposit, $10. Minimum withdrawal, $10. Non-working capping, 3x working capping, 4x. Pause screen to read details carefully. This isn't just a project. It's your chance to step into financial freedom and turn your dreams into reality. Ready to join the journey? Let's grow together.